with Kashfi, where I work through the free code camp JavaScript and algorithms and data structures certification course projects. This is the second session of building the shopping cart app using object-oriented programming with JavaScript. Last night I went through 1 through step 42, and today in this session I look to complete it by going 43 to 60. If you're new to the stream, my name is Kashfi Fahim, software engineer. It's going to be driving this session. The session works in 45-minute Pomodoro sessions where we code for 45 minutes, then we take a 15-minute break. So you'll see a clock countdown from 45 to 0, and then afterwards you'll see a 15-minute break session. During those 15 minutes, I recommend getting up, stretching, get some water, get some coffee, whatever you need to do. Check emails, talk to your friends. But after that 15 minutes, we're back here, ready to code, ready to solve some problems, implement solutions, all the good stuff. Yeah, so feel free to like this video, subscribe to the channel. I guess it helps promote these sorts of videos for your algorithm. And any other things I want to say? No, I think we're good. So with that being said, let's start the clock. Yeah. Step 43 says you also need to update the total price of the cart. Well, when you pick up a project, where do you start? Let's see, they're starting right after get count. What was it that we were doing? Oh, we're trying to calculate the total, right? You also need to update the total price of the cart when the user adds an item. Create a calculate total method. Oh, I think I put a to-do comment right here. There we go. So that's where we are. You also need to update the total price of the cart when the user adds an item. Create a calculate total method in the shopping cart class. Yep. We're in the shopping cart class and we're going to create, okay. Declare a subtotal variable, const subtotal, and use the reduce method on the items array to calculate the sum of the price property of each item in the array. Let's see, let's break that out again. Calculate the sum of the price property of each item in the array. What is the array? I erase items. Items. Add item. When you add an item, let's see. Okay. So let's do this again. Declare a subtotal variable. Got that. Use the reduce method on the items array. So we got items array and reduce. Oops. What we got? Items reduce. Sum of the price. If you use total. Now we're passing in a callback. Total and item. That's parameter for callback. So reduce to have a 0 as a starting. So item.price plus equals, yeah, things like that, right? total return total plus item.price. Good time to just test it out, see if I'm on the right track. Probably not, but it's good to fail fast with these tests so you can get a clue what to do next. Oh, I have to do the whole womp womp womp. Your calculates finished. Use the reduce method on the items array. Yes. Let's see if what they say after I do this. On the items. Oh, hold on. It should be items. It should be. Okay. So I need to review quickly the reduce method. Reduce. Just want to see how it's called. I got array 1. Yep. Accumulate return value. Accumulator is going to be. Am I spelling items wrong? What's going on? Items. This dot items. So we want this dot items. Let's see if that makes a difference. Okay, that's good. I'm pressing total and item. Callback. And the zeros accumulator. Try to sum of total and price. Total plus item dot price. Boom. Okay, so what's tripping me up is the this dot items, because items is here, part of this object. Okay, so that's good. Good learning. Let me just copy that, put it into my local code. Let's go to the next one. Part of the total cost. Darn, if I had figured that out last night, I could have finished it already. I was also tired, so it's all good. Part of the total cost will include the tax. So you need to calculate that as well. Create a calculate taxes method. Calculate taxes. This method should take an amount parameter amount. Doesn't want me to complete the whole thing. Nope, just part of it. Recalculate taxes method should return the value of tax rate. Multiply by the amount parameter for clarity. Wrap. Okay. Tax rate multiplied by the amount. Okay. Turn. Tax rate times amount. I just need this line. Here we should divide the tax rate by 100. This done amount. This tax rate is an attribute of the class, a field in the class. So far, we have to remember that when we're creating methods inside of a class and we're referring to data that the class should have with inside of it, we need to use a this dot syntax to get that data from the class object. Because you're in that scope of the class. Probably not doing a good job explaining that, but let's just see all the times we're using this dot tags, right? This dot items, right? This dot items, this dot items. They're referring to these variables that the shopping cart has, and was that the constructor created for it when it was created. And if we're going to do some calculations using those or update those variables or objects, and we want to refer to them inside this class declaration, we're going to have to use the this dot whatever we're looking to get. So this is just more of a rule style. There's a word for it, it's not coming to me. Okay, let's move on. I'm sure in the coming projects we're going to do this more and more and more, so that it'll become second nature. Because of the way computers store and work with numbers, calculations involving decimal numbers can result in some strange behavior. This is because computers store decimal numbers as binary fractions. Some binary fractions cannot be represented exactly as decimal fractions. We want to clean up the number result from your calculations. Alright, this thing, this might be weird. Wrap your calculation in parentheses, don't include the return, and call the toFix method on it. Pass the toFix as an argument, and this will round the number to 2 decimal places. Oh, that's nice. Now toFixed in 2 decimal places. That's really convenient. Nice. The issue with toFix returning a string is that you want to be able to perform a calculation of the tax rate. To fix this, you can pass the toFix call to the parse float function. Parse float. So much wrapping. Wrap one thing and against another thing and on the same thing. Welcome to programming in JavaScript. You should pass your entire calculation to parse.float. Oh, I didn't. Copy the P. Declare a variable tax and assign. Where are we? Calculate total. Okay. Assign the value calling your new method. Const tax equals this dot calculate taxes and subtotal. Update the total value. Update the total value to the sum of the subtotal. Okay. Is that a total? Yep. I just want to go up and check if total was a data field in this class. What's another word for data field? Classes have methods and what? Classes have data field, instance variable, yep. Instance variable, so to reference instance variable, you gotta use the this keyword. and the this dot construction to refer to an instance variable of a class. That's the word, instance variable. So okay, so we do have a total instance variable, and we're going to update that. This dot total is equal to subtotal plus the tax. We're going to update the HTML in this method as well. Set the text contents of cart subtotal, cool, to be subtotal to affix 2 decimal places. We could do the 2 fix, I guess. Let's see. Set the text content of the cart subtotal. Let's go cart subtotal. Cart subtotal dot text content. We're gonna use template literals. Pick up the value. Subtotal. Oh yep. It's fixed. Following the same pattern as your cart subtotal, update the cart taxes. To display the tax value. 2 fixed 2. And your cart total to total value. Okay, and the next one, cart total. Just dot 2 fixed 2. Am I right? Am I wrong? Let's find out. Finally, return the value of the total property. You know, in any other programming situation, when you're calculating total, you're getting the subtotal. Just check this out. We have an items array. We're going to get the total of all of those. Total, add up all the item.prices, return a total. We're storing a subtotal. What I was going to say is, like, another program, maybe when you're just starting a program and you're just learning how to calculate total, you're just doing 1 line or 2 or 3 lines. But here we're making an application, so we're not only just doing the calculation, but we're also updating our user interface, the front end. So we're doing the back end of learning to calculate stuff, and then we're also updating the front end to display our calculations. I'm saying this because sometimes if you ever want to make a web app using some of your old practice programming, you can do it like this, you know? You could hook up the HTML to your JavaScript and then have an application that takes in user inputs and displays some cool data to the user. Alright, anyway. Just sometimes I'm gonna ramble. Alright, now you can call your calculate total method inside your for each loop. What? Where are we? Oh. Add two card buttons. Where is that? Okay, here we go. For each button. Callback function. Alright. What is it saying? Now you can call your calculate total method inside your for each loop. Total number of items, text content, cart. Oh, okay. Oh, I see. Cart dot calculate. Oops. Calculate total. Your last feature is to allow users to clear their cart. Clear the cart. Clear cart. Get counts. I don't think it matters where you put it. First thing you should do is check if the items array is empty. If it is displaying art to the user with the text, your shopping cart is already empty. Is empty. Didn't we have... I remember something's empty. Is cart showing? It's false. Okay. How do you check if our cart is empty? If the items array is empty. So if items.length equals 0, alert for shopping cart. Let's try this out, see if they like it. No, they do not. Negation operator. JavaScript array methods. Oops, what am I doing? Yeah, to the length. Is there another one? The not operator negates an expression, right? Oh, that's what they're saying. Is that what they're saying? Did I really understand what they're talking about? I guess not. Array.length. Why am I oh, I see. Why am I checking for the size? If items.length is 0, then and it's false, and you negate it, it becomes true, then alert your shopping cart is already empty. That's what they're doing. Let's just reset this. Do I need another parentheses? I wonder what's holding them up. I'm not looking very experienced or competent right now, but it happens to everybody. Let's check out the forums, see if we can get a clue. Forum, step 55. Oh, I forgot that this, God. Okay. What just happened there? I forgot that the scope of this method was inside the class shopping cart. And I'm trying to access the items array that's an instance variable of this class. So I have to add the this.items.length. Let's see. Yep. Browsers have a built-in confirm function, which displays a confirmation prompt to user. Confirm accepts a string, which is the message displayed to the user. Declare a variable inside that, okay. Are you sure you want to clear all items from your shopping cart? List items, let's not make that mistake. Empty array. This dot total is equal to 0. also need to clear HTML. Okay. Products container dot inner HTML to an empty string. Cart taxes. Your final step. Oh wow, just 30 minutes. Your final step is to make your clear button functional. Clear button. Clear button. Add event listener. Click. Callback. Cart. Clear cart directly. Bind. Interesting. Cart clear cut up. Right, so this will be. You need to bind the clear cut. They're not really explaining anything about the bind method, but I guess it's just connecting the reference of the clear cart, this.cart.clear cart to the cart. I hope they explain it in future projects. Should take cart.clearcart.bind.cart. Did I not do that? Should take clear cart. And a click event listener. Let's do it again. Maybe I wasn't following their logic. Clear cart button dot add event listener. Click. Oh, you pass in cart dot clear cart directly. Maybe I'm not getting it. That's our callback function. Okay, that's what they wanted, okay. Alright, so quick 37 minute stream. Let's make a commit. Complete a project. Let's check out the local. Show cart. Add to cart. Add to cart. Looks about right. Nice. Excellent. Clear cart. Perfect. We are done. And we have 11 minutes to spare. I'm not gonna ramble on anything. I just want to say thank you for joining me on this stream. What is next? What is next? In the next stream, we're going to be building a platform gamer. Free code, okay. Cool. We're going to be building this using JavaScript and object-oriented programming. So right now I'm using my mouse arrows. Oh. Space. What does this do? Congrats, you reached a checkpoint, okay. Cool. And it just stopped. Cool. That's not bad. And it's 117 steps. How many steps was this? 60, so it's going to be twice as much. So this will be a full 3-hour stream. And then the dice game. I've seen the preview of it. Manage state, implement game logic, I see. Keep score, applying rules for various combination. Cash register project. Alright, after the dice game. Let me see what this is. Oh, that's so cool. What's the description of this? Fetch data from an external API. Yeah. Then work with asynchronous JavaScript. Big. That's a big one. FCC form leaderboard. Does this get updated? Code your own free code camp. Form leaderboard. Nice. So let's see. I think definitely gonna come back on tonight to do this stream. Not even tonight, maybe in a couple of minutes. Maybe by 5 p.m. New York time, EST. And do this stream. Then take a break and do this stream. Take another break. And probably do this stream, these 3 streams, projects. And then this one for Thursday. And after that I'll go back and start doing the certification projects. So hopefully by the end of this week I will have completed this certification project, this certification. After that, I guess I'll start over for this one. So after these 2 hand-holding, a lot of hand-holding here, I think, For me, that one not much. It's a data visualization. Mm-hmm. Not much hand holding there either. Cool. What's my goal? I think this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one would also be great. Go over testing. Yeah, I'm just gonna go through all of them. Maybe one a week. This one was about a week. Was it a week? Who knows? Anyway, enough planning. Let's not get stuck on planning things. Important things to actually sit down and do them and execute. And run into bugs, read Google Docs, Google questions. That's the best way of learning. So don't get stuck on reading books. These are tutorials, but these are tutorials where they're asking you to implement what's, a task. And they have tests to keep you in line. So they're not the worst. It's not the worst case. So, alright, thank you for joining me on this stream. Glad we got this done. Sorry I didn't finish this last night in one stream. But anyway, on the next stream, we'll go through building the platform gamer. Alright, thank you for joining me. I'll see you in the next one. Thumbs up. Give me the fireworks, please. Give me the fireworks. There you go. And the balloons. Till the next one. Peace. I am not MKBHD.